Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making the ultimate combo grilled cheese sandwich and tomato soup. For that I have taken 2 slices of bread, 1 slice of cheese, few tomatoes, onion and 2 green chillies. I have placed the vegetables in water along with salt. Now let's work on the sandwich. I am greasing the slices of bread with some clarified butter. I have greased both the slices of bread, though I am showing only one in the video. Today's recipe is all about simpleness and finding the taste in simple things. Now I am placing the slice of cheese in between the bread. And for seasoning, I have sprinkled some pizza mix onto the cheese slice. That's it for the preparation of the sandwich. We are making the sandwich without a grill. So, I have taken a tawa and onto the tawa I am spreading some ghee. I am placing the sandwich on top of the tawa. In a low flame we'll cook it. As we are not having a grill, I'll show you how to make a sandwich on tawa. I have placed a plate and on top of it I placed some weight to hold the sandwich down onto the tawa. After 3 minutes I have removed the weight and plate. I flipped the sandwich to the other side. Now I am placing the plate back, so the weight also. After cooking the sandwich 3 minutes, I am removing the weight and plate on top of the sandwich. Making this grilled cheese sandwich only took me 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. But it is very delicious. On to the soup part. I am roughly chopping the onion. I am placing 2 cuts on each tomato in a cross form as shown. This is because we are blanching the tomatoes. By that I mean I'll cook the tomatoes in hot water for about 2 minutes. By hot water I mean boiling water. Then the skin of the tomatoes near the cut will peel off. I have placed some water for boiling on the stove. After the water comes to a boil, I am dropping all the vegetables into the boiling water. I let the vegetables sit in the boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. After you see the skin near the cuts on the tomato peel, that is the time to stop the stove. And I am dropping the tomatoes into cold water immediately. This will make the blanching process easy. I have peeled the skins of the tomato and placed them in a grinder jar. I am adding the remaining veggies, that is onion and chillies, to the grinder jar. I'll grind them into a smooth puree for about 2 minutes. Make sure the mixture or the tomatoes are cool when you are grinding them. I have taken the puree into a pan and started cooking it on the stove. I have added 1 spoon of ghee to the soup. As I have said before, today's recipes are all about simpleness, and that's it for the soup part of the video. I am adding pepper to finish off the soup. Let the soup sit on the stove after grinding up. After you have poured the grinded mixture onto a pan for about 5 minutes. I am slicing the sandwich into half. I am pouring the soup. And one of the best combos is served. If you love croutons in your tomato soup, this will be your dream come true. Hope you liked it and hope you'll try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.